Greenleaf inspires. Are you guys ready to make a floral installation? Well, come join along with me, Viviana, and Louisa as we show you how to install a great floral installation for your events. Now, the products that you'll need are right here in my hand. I've got chicken wire, water tubes, my trusty cutters, and a couple of sizes of cages. We've taken an accent decor stand and created sort of like a broken arch. We've run some chicken wire up into the ceiling so that we can make a very ephemeral, beautiful display of all of our products that you see here today. Join us for this floral installation. So now I'm attaching different size cages to my actual structure, which is going to be some of the water source that we're using for the flowers that we're going to be working into this installation. I love to use the metallic wire by Oasis. It just makes putting things on really easy. It's very strong, and you can find a point to anchor it to and just twist it right on. All throughout the structure, I can start adding in my flowers and extra foliages. One of the things that I'm going to do as well is I'm going to take water tubes and I'm going to tube up maybe some of my flowers that I won't be able to fit into my Oasis cages, and those flowers will still have a water source. Okay, now join us as we flower this beautiful installation. I can't wait for you guys to see what it's going to look like. I'm also using the chicken wire to work some of my foliages into. Some of these foliages can stay out of water for quite some time, and the chicken wire is a great armature to kind of just hold them in place.